okay. I don't know why I felt like, but thought of taking a video of this because today is my birthday. It's 7th of October 2020, and that is the reason why I've got a mask on my face. 20 has been bad. Anyway, so I know there's too much nature all over. I'm actually going to buy my birthday cake. A tragedy, but yeah, that's reality because I have to choose my cake properly. So planning to buy two, and you'll get to know the reason why I'm buying two by the evening. So yeah, so that's where I'm heading, and I'm planning to go somewhere, but I don't know whether it's going to be possible or not, because since it's drizzling out here, the path is not that good. Rasta khub ekta bhalo noy, so it's going to be very muddy. So if it's possible, I would go there, because every time during my birthday my best friend usually comes and we go to this particular place every time, but unfortunately this year she can't be present. We had some school work which needed to be done, and for that I have met my bestie on Saturday. She celebrated my birthday on that day. So today I'm trying to make it as nice as possible. Whatever my favorite things are, I'm trying to do. I've not got any work because whatever piled up work I had, I tried to finish it by yesterday. I still do have a lot of stuff, but I'm gonna pile it again for tomorrow. But hopefully I'll be able to go to the place where I'm really wanting to go. So let's see. So I finally arrived. It's actually not that far from the place where I stay. It's inside the project, but because of a lot of work pressure and stuff, I can never go out of my room rather. So but finally today I made it a point that I'll come and I'll visit here. I was listening to Mono. I was kind of introspecting life. I prayed a little so that my year goes well, and yeah, that's it. So here's this place. It's not that aesthetic and beautiful, but whatever it is, I get a little peace out here. It's drizzling a bit, so it's adding to the mood as well. So now I'm done with it, so I'll be heading towards my cake shop. So yeah, so that's it. This is the first time I guess I'm normally showing my face like this, because previously you all must have seen me with some cringe-worthy dance or some weird singing, because I can't do both of them perfectly. Like, I just do it for fun. I'm actually nervous. I didn't expect myself to be that nervous, but I thought that I will do it. I will do it. Like, I will show my face and I will do a vlog. Two reasons, as I've already said, that today is my birthday and I ended up getting 1K subscribers. Thanks to you all. Thank you so much. So now the main purpose of having this vlog, the first thing I wanted to talk about is why did I start the channel. Actually, I have written some stuff which I really wanted to talk about, so okay, I'll do it. Why did I start the channel? So the first thing I wanted to do is that I used to love making videos and stuff. Very basic, not very fancy. I cannot do that. For that I need to learn. So that was my first thing, that I wanted to make some videos related to BTS, because that's my, like, I'm crazy over them. So that was the first thing which was there in my mind. Slowly it turned into like edit video channel, and then after that it changed into a lyric video channel. And just the way I am, my channel keeps evolving. I try to make some theory videos, I do some lyric videos, lyric interpretative videos, and all those things. Now, how I usually get these ideas, you must be thinking. Now, first is it's random. I sit and maybe I'm doing some personal work or some school work, as I've already said that I do teach in a school. So while doing that, suddenly something strike and I'm like, okay, whenever I'm getting time, I will sit and I will do that. I'll try to do something. So it's random. Second thing is that if I find really good, when I really find something, some good interpretative translations, that time I really feel that okay, there are lyric videos all over in YouTube, but I don't get to see that depth. I'm not saying that everyone, come on, I've not seen all the lyric videos, but most of it, it's like that. So I thought of, okay, something which I try to find and I don't get, I end up making those. Yeah. And thirdly is random talking to my friends about some theory, BTS, Bangtan universe or TXT universe. We end up talking and then I get an inspiration and I feel like, okay, I need to make something. Otherwise I don't feel good. So yeah, that's how it is. Now, yes, so first of all, when I just started with this channel, I had a weird name. I don't even remember actually what was the name. And then there was this friend of mine, a very, very good friend of mine. I don't want to name because I don't know whether she'll feel good or not. So I'm not going to mention any names. But there's this particular friend of mine who said, wait, your name is Naomi, right? And you're RM biased. Why don't you call yourself Naum Juni? I was like, okay. And she actually got me a plant last year, I guess. Yes. And she named that plant Naum Juni. So from that's exactly where actually she gifted me on my birthday. Exactly. So it was bang 1 year back. It happened. This whole scenario happened, and she named that plant Naum Julie, and then suddenly one day I felt like, okay, I can name my channel Naum Julie. So this is like a very recent named channel. I had a different name before. Yes. Now another thing is that my channel was actually very inactive initially, because first thing was I wasn't getting much time, frankly speaking, and then after that I'm very lazy at times, so I don't feel like, okay, I've done a lot of work, now I need to sleep. That's what I used to do. But then there's another friend of mine, I can call her actually. Her name is Sholo Solo. You can check her YouTube channel. I'll be putting down the link. I'll be typing the link below, so you can check that. So she was like, wait a minute, you have a channel and at times you're active, at times you just nowhere. Like, why are you doing this? I had a long talk, and then she was like, wait a minute, you actually need to do it, okay? You can't just sit like that and just waste your time. You should do it. So I was like, okay, fine, I will. And then I remember how she helped me technically, like how YouTube works, and how she was saying, have you tagged your videos, have you done this, have you done that, make sure you share it with all your friends, don't be lazy, because I sometimes do what I used to share and then I used to leave it like that. I uploaded it and I used to leave it like that. So she said, no, share with your friends, you've got so many friends, why aren't you sharing it with them? So I was like, okay, fine, I'll do it. And then I still remember there was this one particular night, she called me up and she was like, have you done it? And that's how I got the push, and here I am. Now, yes, another thing which was there, that you must have noticed a recent video where I was doing a cringe-worthy dance with my bias. It's a collage, of course, and I didn't want to upload that because my face is visible. I've always had this problem of showing my face in front of the screen, especially when I know that many unknown people will be watching me, and even staring at the camera lens like that, I can't do it. I'm just too scared. Even right now I'm scared. But there's this Sholo Solo again, who kept on pestering and saying that you made such a wonderful video, why aren't you uploading it, upload it fast and stuff. And then I was like, wait a minute, people are gonna watch it and they are just gonna, I don't know what they'll feel. But she said, whatever it is, you enjoyed yourself and you do it, why won't you share it? So yeah, I actually get a lot of boost from my friends. And let me tell you, these friends of mine, they aren't like, have been with me since ages. They've been my friends very recently. I've been knowing BTS since 2018, mid 2018, and I've come to know about my friends just right after that. That is maybe August or September 2018, and I really cherish this lot. They are just too good. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is, while making a lot of lyric videos, English lyric videos, I do take a lot of help from some accounts, and I felt that I should mention those accounts because of them I can actually make the lyric video. Otherwise, I don't know Korean, so how am I going to do that? But I should thank Dulcet Bangtan, then Bangtan Translations. I guess most of the translations are through these two channels. They've been really very good the whole time, and they've been helping us with the translations. Otherwise, we would have not understood a single thing. Another, it's worth mentioning, I found this channel, actually an account, a Twitter account, very recently. My friend told me about it, and I went mad. Like, what is this? really like to thank Colin sir. Like if you're watching this, I'm really thankful to you, because the way you analyze, do such kind of analysis and translations and interpretations of BTS songs, it's worth, what should I say? I'm like speechless, because sometimes I do read it and I feel that, my goodness, okay, they meant this, because we don't understand the language. So of course, when it's like laid open in that way, and it's been shown, it's amazing. Like we really understand BTS songs more better because of you. Thank you so much for that. And that's how my lyric interpretative videos are uploaded. It's via his translations. So thank you so much for that. I really can't believe that I'm actually sitting and I'm talking, because before this COVID situation, I've never sat like this in front of a camera and I've spoken like this, because I've always been paranoid about this whole thing. But right now, since I have online classes and I'm sitting in front and I'm talking in front of so many children, this became a habit. So I thought of trying this. Yes. So now, let me just read what I have to share next. Okay. Now I actually would want to really thank my friends first. I should thank, because of the way you guys have always told me that you've uploaded something, share it to me, I need to share it to my other friends. So that thing which you keep doing, thank you so much for that. And the way you keep boosting me and you keep texting me saying that really you've thought something like this, thank you so much. So it really makes me feel good. Thank you about that. And I again want to thank a lot of viewers, my new friends who keep watching my videos, and I've seen a lot of similar names which keep coming up. You keep typing below, that is, you keep commenting below with such nice words. I'm really thankful to all of you. Really, thank you so much for visiting my channel, for watching it, taking some time and getting inspired by it. Thank you so much. I'm really thankful to all of you. Like really, I'm really thankful to all of you. Now you all must have noticed that my channel is growing, to say the truth, very slowly. I've got 1K subscribers, it's correct, but if you see the views of my videos, it's not that much. But how does it still I mean, I should say that I'm not bothered about that. At times I do get bothered, but I would say that I will not stop even if I get very less views, because of one reason, that is, I still keep remembering that when I made the first video and I uploaded in YouTube, the first thing I had told my friend that, you know what, if even one person watches it, that's enough for me, because at least one is watching it, right? So I always keep this in my mind, that I'll try to make the video a bit different, and even if one person watches, I'm very happy. So that's how I don't think I will be stopping that soon, until and unless I actually get too busy with work. Now the next thing is that, yes, the next I would want to talk about is, if there's anyone who want to talk to me or want to text me, I will be sharing my Twitter account below, so you can check it, you can follow me. If you don't want to follow me, no need to follow me. If you want to text me, just you can text me. And if you want to share anything, like you're not having a good day, you're irritated because of something, you want to blast, but you don't want to blast in front of someone you know. You want to talk to someone whom you don't know that well. I'm there, so you can text me and you can share your stuff, whatever you want to talk about. You can do it, and if I can help, I'll help. If I can't help, I'll surely listen to it. Okay. You must have noticed I always try to check all the comments, and I appreciate all of that. Thank you so much. And next thing, I think the last thing I would want to say is that I would want to thank Namjoon RM. Yes, why? Because he keeps sharing a lot of rare songs, and sometimes I do see that there are hardly any translations of those songs. So I kind of find those and I try to put it here. So I'm really thankful to BTS RM for doing that. It really helps me a lot. The next thing is that I would really love to thank BTS for existing. Because of BTS, this army also exists and is being able to sit in front of a camera and being able to talk to, at least even if there are 10, at least I'm talking to those 10. I don't think I would have imagined this happening last year, maybe a year back. I don't think so. I would have got paranoid like anything. But I'm being able to do it. So thanks to BTS, thanks to the world's best fandom, I would say. I can boastfully say that because I've noticed that this fandom is very kind-hearted, like mostly, and it really reflects when you all comment below. I knew that dance was cringeworthy, but still you people didn't say anything bad. That was like really, I never imagined that would happen. My covers are not perfect, but still you guys have heard, and many of y'all have commented like this that you can get better, but you didn't say that, oh my god, why did I hear this? Oh my god, I wasted 5 minutes. You didn't say that, so I really appreciate that for being so kind and loving. Be like this, and that's it, I guess. And thank you for making my birthday so good. Like, I'm so happy because I've hit 1K subscribers on my birthday. I'll never forget that. Who said 2020 has been bad? It's not always been bad, right? In every bad situation, I think we've got some good stuff, and that's how we can be positive, right? Listen to Dynamite. Okay, now I have a surprise for you all. I guess you all have understood because since morning I've been sharing a few snippets, so you must have understood. But I guess I have to switch off the fan, so give me 2 seconds. Hi, I'm back. Sorry, I guess I took more than two seconds. But here's what I have for you all. It's written Happy Namjoon Day, and this cake is for you all. This is not for me. Thank you so much, everyone. I guess you can see the picture. I've spoiled the design. I'm so sorry. I got sad when I saw it. Can you see the picture? Yeah. So, can we sing? What should we sing? Happy Namjoon Day to us. 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 Yay! Okay, so I guess. Oh, wait. Spoil the cake. So I've already sang, so I'll just wish. Okay. not going to eat it. That's for you, so I'll keep it for you all. Okay, so I guess that's it. That's all what I had to share. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I guess it's going to be my last one. Actually, I shouldn't say that because I'm so spontaneous. I don't know what I'll do next. So I hope you all enjoyed it, and thank you so much. God bless you all, and I hope you would have a wonderful year ahead. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Bye bye.